draw letters. First, A. Then, B. Now we're gonna draw the letter C. This is the letter D. Repeat after me. D. This is the letter E. This is P. This is the letter G. Now we're drawing H. Repeat after me. H. Time to color in the letters. A will be pink. B will be yellow. C is now gonna be green. I really like to paint. We'll color in D with red. Repeat after me. Red. E is gonna be orange. This color is orange. P will be blue. Blue. G is brown. Repeat after me. Brown. H will be purple. I really like drawing. A, B, C, D, E, B, G, H. Hey kids! Today I will be drawing a cake. Let's draw a heart. And we'll add some squiggles. Now we'll add some candles and flames. This is a knife and a fork. Let's color it in with blue paint. Repeat after me. Blue. This is also blue. Now we'll add yellow to the candles. And purple to the base. We'll make the bottom half orange. Repeat after me. Orange. And for the top half, we're gonna use green. I really like painting. This is a beautiful cake. Time to make the heart red. And the candles. I love cakes. Happy birthday! for banana. This color is yellow. This color is purple. B for banana. Hey kids, let's draw the letter C. C for car. This is a car. This color is green. This color is red. This color is yellow. And this color is blue. C for car.